And this year's hurricane season already top of mind for and being addressed by local leaders.
Yeah, they held a hurricane preparedness breakfast today to go over just that and to focus on strengthening disaster response.
Our Lydia Herrera was there for us. She joins us now with that report. Lydia?
Mike and Leslie, I spoke with key leaders from both the city and county who play a pivotal role in the disaster preparedness. Both emphasized that being proactive in preparation is essential as we approach a potentially active hurricane season. 20 business leaders from various industries in Nueces County gathered to discuss hurricane preparedness ahead of what experts predict will be another active hurricane season. Nueces County Emergency Management Director Deanna Hawkins says this annual roundtable session gives leaders information on how the county coordinates disaster preparedness, response, and recovery efforts.
Having those good relationships in place so that when the disaster does come, we've already talked about things of how we're going to attack it, how we're going to plan, how we're going to manage, and
plan for before the storm, but also after.
But we also talked to them about our reentry program because after the storm, there's certain levels and tiers that we use for reentry back into the city.
Corpus Christi Emergency Management Coordinator Jace Johnson says a big takeaway from the meeting was gaining insight on how AEP Texas prepares for a hurricane.
And then really what all goes into making sure that they're ready to respond following a hurricane from the very beginning with their own weather forecasting teams all the way through making sure that they have resources throughout the region that are ready to come in.
Johnson urges locals to prepare early ahead of hurricane season, which starts June 1st.
Right now is the time for residents within Corpus Christi, Nueces County, just to start making plans to make sure that they're ready for a disaster when it happens.
Johnson reminds locals to sign up for the reverse alert system ahead of hurricane season. In addition, make sure to download 3 News Plus to stay updated on severe weather warnings and other important news in our area.